Yo, this is Emma, straight from the streets of something. Thanks to you to speak the word of the Lord, my Lord. Not the real Lord, y'all. Real Lord don't like me too much. Now listen, y'all. My sister be taking my bling. You listen to me. You know how many cheeks I hate around, bitches I hate us. Pimp out, get things on bling. You know what? That comes from Steven singing Julius for real. Listen, y'all. That be some...
Megan, you didn't get my phone yet.
Stop. I'll be choking you. I'm gonna bust out like Kobe Bryant on your ass like a man. Don't kick like an ass on me. You know what?
Oh, Megan, I'm serious.
I walk down the street, they be running to their mamas. I come up to them, they be kissing their kids. Emily. No.
You're gonna break it. Can you just tell me where my phone is? And let me can I hear?
No,
Ew, your face is oily.
why are you taking my shit? That ain't on. That is the problem that face me and the American teenagers and mommy Caitlin.
That's not funny.
Okay.
No, Caitlin, they have to delete this.